So last class we have discussed a few Linux commands, right? So last class already we seen a few how to create users and all, and also how to delete users and types of users, and also right. So how to give permission file to particular user and all, entire full screen, and also right. So how to check there is stop command, and so what is ps. What is right a ps command, and right so memory, and what is the df command, and so du command, so free space and the disk usage as well. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's come to here. Let me log into github. Okay, start. So create new instance. So alt enter, control plus plus. So already almost all what are enter purpose, what type of commands they are asking. So enter most of the cases last class we discussed, right? So what is a uname hyphen I? So what is uname hyphen I, and what is the purpose? Right? So what is uname hyphen I? So many people asked this question. So they want to find so Linux machine kernel version information and all. So right? Uname hyphen I. If you want to display, you name only shortcut, and you name hyphen R. So you name hyphen R also we can pass it. This is the specific so kernel Linux 4.0.4. So here we are using, but so if you see in line AWS or actual Linux server, we are getting different versions and all. And so right, what is top command? So most of the people ask this command, top command. Right, what is the purpose of top command? So what is the purpose of top command? It will display all processes, and also it will display that all
All
memory
files.
usage and all. Not these files, process running
Okay.
processes, not files. Okay, these are the process
Okay.
ID and all. And if you want to see only memory, if you want to see only memory, what is the free space memory, how much you use it, free space, free hyphen memory hyphen m, right? Free hyphen m,
Yes, sir.
free space hyphen m. So show the amount of so how much ram used. This is the total ram, and so used ram, and free ram, and these are the some information about ram usage and all. So RAM usage. There is one more command is there. One or two guys asked. So ls off. Right? What is ls command? So what is the ls command? It will display all files and directories in
Cle-
the working
Long
directory.
list.
Correct? ls means it will display all files and directories in the working directory. Clear? And there is one more command is there. Ls off. One or two people they asked this question. What is ls off? List all open files belongs to all active processes. Now right. So if you use top command, so it will display all process IDs and all. Now there is one more command is there. So ls off. There is no space. This is a single command. So ls off means this command it won't work here, and anyway it will work in actual Linux machine. ls off. So what is the purpose of ls off? Anyone? So you are trying to AWS Linux server, so it will work. So ms paint. So there is one command. One or two people asked this question also. So ls off, no space, single command only. So ls off, already ls. Ls means it display all files and directories. ls off means so list all open files. So list all open files, open files, open files belonging to so belonging to so all active processes, all active process. Okay, this is so ls means it will display all files, display all files and all files and directories, working directory, pw present working directory, right. So this is also now this is a very very important free hyphen m, and all these are the enter questions. You name so hyphen r, we know, right. So these are the, so many people asked. So anyone, any doubt, guys?
Clear, sir.
And right, top command, this is also very very important. And to check the status, to check the statistics of some other related processes and all, there is one more command is there, also is there. And uh, let me check whether it is working or not. This is the portable, right. Some commands it won't work here. mp state, mp state, mp state, and so this also you need to install some of. Okay, so this is a multiple ways, so we can check the statistics of the memories and all. Memories and all. So anyone, any doubt? So as of now, right? So that is, right, what is that is if you want to find the IP address. So these are the important command. If you want to find the IP address, host name hyphen I, host name hyphen I. So this is the host name hyphen I. Suppose if you want to check the uptime, uptime means when I logged into this machine and all. So this is, these are basic commands only. Uptime, up sorry, uptime, not update, uptime. So now we can check it. So it is 39 minutes of zero users load average. So these are the up and running. So this is the uptime. Uptime means so just it will show how long system running, how long system running. So this is very very important. Uname hyphen a and uname hyphen r. Right. So uname hyphen a or r. What is a? Hyphen a means only display Linux system information. Hyphen R means display only kernel related to information. Right? Last class already we seen. So many people asked this question. You name. Okay. Now there is a PS command. So this is also very very important. PS means I want to check only processes. So PS means it display current active processes. Even if you search here, so this is the PS. Most of cases we are using PS command, and there is many arguments we can pass here. Anyway, it won't display here. And just if you Google it, interval also many people ask related to PS command. So how to check running process and all. PS hyphen if you give, if you don't know anything, just check it. Linux. There is many arguments we can pass it. So many arguments we can pass it, and so these are the many arguments. See here how many PID, what is the unique process ID, what is TTY. So this is the terminal type that user is logged into, and time and CMD, and what is this? So these many arguments. Hyphen A we can pass. View the process, view all running process. Use either of the following option. So PS hyphen A or PS hyphen so E also. So PS hyphen A, or also we can use a PS hyphen E also. So if you check it, so it will display PS hyphen A. Now see here all same way PS hyphen E. So these are the arguments. So based on requirement, we can use it. This is only related to few service. It will display. So more what are the running services and running service that is process are running backend. So it will display. So if you want to know more, so that's just to go here. This is the help, right? So many arguments we can pass it. So many arguments we can pass it. We can check it. Now see here, PS hyphen A also. Only so view the process not associated with the terminal, and PS hyphen D view the process accept a session leader. There is many arguments we can pass. This is based on your requirements. So we can pass anything. So list of selected by list. See here, whatever you want, we can pass it. Suppose if you want to kill any, there is one more command is there, kill also. kill the process with the mentioned PID. For example, I want to kill the one process ID. If you want to kill, what is kill means, right? In Windows, if you go to desktop, if you go to here, and so there is, if you go to here, if you go to here, if you go to task manager, these are the running services, right? So these are the running processes. See here, running processor. So for example, if you kill, if you want to close any process, if you want to close any process, so what we will do? So right click and end the task. We are doing, right? End the task. I don't know how many people this. If you want to kill, if you Windows, if you want to kill any processor, so just go to here desktop, go to task manager, go to task manager, and select your process, which process you want to kill it. So select this one, and paint, I don't want paint, end task. So automatically the paint will close, automatically paint will close. Suppose if you want to kill this Google Chrome, select this one and end task. Same thing. So how to kill the process? How to kill the process in Linux machine? So if you want to kill the process in Linux machine, so this is the command. So this is the command. So this is the command. What is the command? Kill, KLL, kill space and PID, process ID. What is this? PID. Now you know, right? So PS hyphen A all I given. So for example, if you want to kill, this is a PID number. So how to kill it? Kill space and PID number. For example, I want to bash, so 268. So like this, we are killing that particular process. That the particular process. Kill space, KLL, kill space, process ID. So enter also one or two people asked this question also. How to kill the process, particular process. So there is many process running in my machine. I want to kill particular process. If you want to kill particular process, what is the command, guys? So kill space process ID, KLL, kill space process ID, PID. What is this? Kill space process ID, kill space process ID. Now got it? So anyone, any doubt here? Yes or no?
Clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so right? So Windows, I hope now today we'll see there is few more things. Compressed files, compression, and also archive files, archive files. So right, tar file, zip file, right? In Windows, mostly we are calling zip file. For example, this is my folder. So here I have multiple files. I want to zip it. How to zip it here? Windows environment. So most of the people, right? How to zip it? I want to zip this folder. I want to zip this file. Here I have many files. I want to zip this folder. How to zip it? Right click. If you go to here, if you go to here, so there is a send compressed, right? Zip file. If you click on this, see here, this is a compressed. Now if you want to extract, so how to extract this file? I hope many people right, how to zip the multiple files, and how to unzip it, zip and unzip. Clear? Yes or no? So anyone, any doubt here? This is the zip file. Now I zipped. See here, automatically changed. Now if you want to extract, right click, extract all, extract all. For example, give any name. For example, PM1. So extract. Now we can extract same folder. See here, PM1. Under this PM, we can see all files. So this is the Windows environment. And same thing, if you want to zip, if you want to unzip, if you want to zip and if you want to unzip. So there is different commands we need to use it. Different commands you need to use it. So here, anyone, any doubt, guys? Here, how to zip and unzip, unzip in Windows environment. Windows is very simple. Everything we are working with the GUI only, right? So select the folder, and so go to show more options and send it to. And if we have, see here, rar files also is there, we can add rar also. Both are same only. Mostly we are using send it to. Mostly we are using send to just a compressed. Now this is the compressed. Now if you anywhere if you want to extract, right click this zipped file and right click go to here extract all and give any name. Give any name. Now see here, this is the zip and unzip. Now same thing if we come to Linux mission, I have a files. So how to zip file? How to zip the file? How to zip the file? How to zip the file? Now if you want to zip the file, so there is a gzip is there, tar is there. There is multiple ways. For example, suppose if you want to download the Tomcat. Now see here, download. I hope everyone know right how to set up Tomcat and all. Download Tomcat, Tomcat server. So there is a multiple ways we can see here. There is we can see here. One is a zip file is there. One is star file also is there. The other one is there is a installation MSI file. Microsoft this is the exe file installation file. Now mostly Windows environment we are using zip file. Mostly Windows environment we are supporting zip file. And Linux or Ubuntu CentOS mostly we are downloading tar file. Mostly we are downloading tar file. Now clear? This is same only. This is same only. Suppose if you want to create the tar file in Linux machine. Suppose if you want to create the zip file in Windows, right? So right click and just we are go to here and zip it. And if you come to Linux machine, the same pattern we need to follow some commands. Let me come to here. For example, I am creating one directory mkdir. I am giving devaps. So now directory is created. LL right? So devaps. cd space devaps. So devaps. Now see here. Do we have any file here? No. Let me create a few files here. At the space, I am creating so test. I am creating test. So I am creating 10 files. 1 to 10 files. Dot txt. All text files only. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Now I am creating one more directory. This is subdirectory. Okay. So devapps one I created. Now observe here. So here I have 10 files. Here I have 10 files, and I have one directory. Now come back outside. Now see here. Now I am in which directory? PWD. So now I am creating. I am in which directory? DevOps directory. Correct. Now come outside. So how to come? CD space dot dot. Okay. Or we can use CD tilde symbol also. Clear the screen. Now I want to create the tar file. So first, what is tar file? Right? Same like Windows. If you understand zip and zip. So what is tar in line? What is tar? So Linux. Now see here, this is the shortcut of tape archive file. So see here, we can use this command and so how to create. See, so the Linux star command used to saving several files into a archive file, single file. Same Windows we are using zip unzip, right? And so if you want to create file, there is some syntax we need to follow. Now this is my directory. Now this is my directory. So now this is my directory. Now this is my directory. DevOps is the directory. So under this directory, I have many files and I have many directories. Now I want to create the tar file. Create a tar. So if you want to create any tar file and all, this is the syntax, guys. So what is this? Tar space. So hyphen just I'm giving a help. Now see here, this many arguments we can pass it. So this many arguments we can pass it. See here, there is many arguments we can pass it. So this is the C means create. C means create. C means create. If you want to create a new archive file, so that case we need to use hyphen C. And for example, these are T means list, R means append, U means update, and X means extract, and so N means now see here. So this many arguments we can pass it. So this many now file hyphen F means device selection and switching file hyphen file using archive file or device archive. Capital F info script that is name and all. So these are the arguments. This is depends on requirement. We can pass your arguments. Now simply I want to create the tar file. So now how to create the tar file? Very simple only. Observe here. So clear the screen and LL. So this is my directory. This directory I want to create a tar file. How to create tar file? See here, tar space, tar space. So I CF. You know, right? C means create. F means file. That is, and which directory? DevOps directory. Now see here, Crowdly refused to create the empty RQ and tar helps usage more information.
Hyphen.
Here I missed hyphen, right? Hyphen CF.
Yes.
Mm, hyphen, or else I am giving only C. Okay, LR
CVF.
tar hyphen X CVF. Okay, file name DevOps. Okay, file
Then
name
dot after that.
DevOps dot tar. Okay.
Tar space dot.
Just directory name. This is my existing directory. Okay,
Yeah.
this is my existing directory. I want to create tar file for this directory. Tar space hyphen cvf. Okay, DevOps. Hmm.
Just press enter.
No, this is not
Cannot
directory
open.
existing. I think this is portable, right? Here it won't work, or I didn't check it. So this is a command. So tar space. Uh, Let me download. I'll try to extract it. How to download? wget.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Enter into DevOps. CD DevOps.
One minute. Wait 1 second. I am using back.
CD DevOps.
Okay. Now clear the screen. CD space DevOps. Now these are my files.
Now
Okay.
now
Tar
tar
space
tar
hyphen cvf.
I
V
CVF
means verbose. C means create. F. Okay. Now I am
means
using
file.
some
ABC
name.
dot tar
For
ABC dot
example,
tar
sample.
some name dot tar space dot. If dot is not working, only press enter.
Okay. We'll see current directory. Not dumped.
It is now
Now
press
star
LL
is created. Now star is created.
created.
Now why here it is not working?
Yeah,
Tar
it is worked.
tar space hyphen cvf, and so I'm giving abc dot tar and so DevOps. Okay, correct.
Yes, correct.
Now it is created. There we missed a syntax. Now see here LL. Now tar file is created. Now abc.tar. What is the syntax? Tar space. Here C means create, V means verbose, and these are the F file. And abc. This is your this is the file name. We can give any name, and extension should be tar. And this is my directory. So this is my under this directory. I have many files and directories. So I have many files and directories. So those files and all I created tar file. Now same thing if you want to extract. So this is a zip file, right? So the zip file if you want to extract. Now I zipped, right? Go to here. So now I zipped. So not shortcut, zip, right? Go to more actions and send it to this is the compressed. Now if you want to extract, we are giving extract all, right? But if you come to Linux, there is one more command. So tar space if you want to extract. If you want to extract, so tar space, and so we know, right? Extract. For extract means what is the command? Arguments. I think X,
I,
right?
I
X,
hyphen
X,
XVF
X
XVF
extract web both XVF.
file.
Okay. Next,
F
what is the file name? So ABC
tar file.
dot tar file. ABC dot tar file. So ABC dot so tar file space and I'm giving
Enter. No need to give anything. Enter.
okay. So directly it will generate, right?
Yes.
where it is extracted, or else I will give file name also. Space, so sample, just I given sample. Mm, Not found archive exiting. ABC extract VF exit. It is extracted. Where it is extracted? CD space devs. Here it is extracted. No, right. Sample dot tar is created. PWD. Now go back. LS. Here ABC dot tar is there. So tar hyphen X extract V verbose or ZF who can use, and so ABC dot tar. Okay, it is extracted, but where it is displaying?
No, it is extracted within DevApps only. Please observe here.
Let me delete DevApps. Confusion, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes,
Let
yes.
me
Do
delete
it.
DevApps. It is hanging. Just wait. Okay. Now I am going to delete the so existing. Already it is extracting same directory. So how to remove the directory? How to delete the directory? Anyone? What is the command? I want to delete this directory. So in this directory, I have many files. I have directory also. So how to remove this directory? Shravani, I want to remove this directory. Suresh, Ramesh,
RM,
RM,
sir.
RM,
RM
RM,
space,
RM,
five, hyphen F.
F,
hyphen F,
hyphen F,
DevApps. Correct?
DevOps. Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
working or not? Check it. So cannot remove DevOps. It is directory. We need to pass one more argument. What is that argument?
No, I forgot, ma. You forgot R.
RM hyphen RF, sir.
Hyphen RF. R means what is R here? Recursively, not
Recursively,
remove.
recursive.
Recursively, not remove, so recursively. Recursively means inside the directory it is checking do we have any files. It is deleting those files, and if it is has any directory also it is removing. Finally, it is removing the directory. Now see here, I removed the directory. Now extract it. Now a tar space. First let me check it. LL and a tar space hyphen X means extract. Okay. V means verbose. Verbose means we'll see that files list and all. And F space abc dot txr. Now see here. Now it is creating one directory DevApps. Under directory it is extract the all files and all. Now check it. Now see here. DevApps is created extracted or not. If you go and check, we can see all files and directories. LL. Now same we can find all these things. So that case also we can use so tar. Right, already you downloaded Tomcat and all in Linux server. So what we will we are downloading this tar file. So how to download this tar file? Anyone? Right click, copy the link file, and coming to here, and I want to download this file. Now what is the command we need to download? I want to download this package. What is the command? Anyone? Clear the screen. I want to download that tar file. So how to download? Already I explained, right? If you want to download any package in Linux or Ubuntu CentOS, so what is the command?
Tell W get ma.
Everyone forget.
M installs.
Already M install. That is
W,
installation. That is
W.
wget. Already I explained, right? So wget. If you want to download, or this are also explained, right? So wget space and URL. Control Shift. Today I have external keyboard. Now see here, this is the tar file, tar.gz. What is this? Command is wget. Correct only, right? Or maybe that wget is not available. So if it is not available, let me try to install. Few commands it won't work here. This is a portable, right? Okay, so now yum install
Oh, install
wget -y. What is this command? If you want to install any package, what is the command? M. What is the command? yum. Okay. Now it is checking, so it is updating. If it is not available, it is installing that command. Now check it. Once this is installation is done, now we can actually wget is not installed yet. Just now I installed. If you want to install any package, what is the command? M space install space package name space -y. Y means runtime it won't ask one more time. That is reason. Okay. Now wget. So first check it. I don't have anything. I don't have any Tomcat server and all here. So wget space. Already I copied URL, right? Control shift. So control shift insert. Okay. Now see here. So connected and it is cannot verify DNL. It is download or not. Resolve the Apache connecting to DNS. Cannot verify the certification issued by the certificate expert to connect the use hyphen no certificate. Okay, else check it. Get what is they are asking like mm, 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 mm. Where is that command?
This version is not supporting Markonda. Version problem.
They are saying like
Yeah.
to connect the DNS copy. Where is copy? It is not copy. Okay. Let me check it. Hyphen just no hyphen check hyphen certificate space ship insert. Okay. Now it is downloaded. Now it is downloaded. Okay. So now it is actually they are saying so it is not supported. So just use to connect the DLCND apache.org. So insecurely use this argument. See here, no no check certificate. Actually there is no certificate. For that we need to use this one. Anyway, it is downloaded. Now check it. Now it is so Tomcat Apache Tomcat 9.0. This is the tar file. Now how to extract this tar file? Now tell me, just now we seen, right? If you want to extract the tar file, what is the command? Tar -x. X means
Y.
extract. V means verbose or file. And Apache Tomcat. That's it. Now see here. Now it is extracted. If we are not giving V means we cannot see these files, which files it is extracted and all, it won't display. So anyway, it is extracted. So now cd space Apache, cd space Apache. Now LL. Now we know, right? So how to run Tomcat server? So remaining part same only. If you want to run Tomcat server, there is a so same. Go to bin cd space bin and LL. And remaining story already you know. See here, startup.sh file is there. Just we run the startup.sh file. And there is a one more command is there, service command, and also systemctl service command. So what is the service command? For example, you want to check the Tomcat server is running or not, or Jenkins server is running or not. Already you know, right? How to check the services? What is the command? Anyone?
/opts.
I want to check the status, whether that service is running or not. How can I check Jenkins service is running or not?
Systemctl
Uh,
status Jenkins.
Already sir explained many times, right? So that is
Yes.
the reason I didn't explain it here. Systemctl
Status.
status service name, correct?
Yes.
Service name, any name. If you want to systemctl status, if you want to check Jenkins, it will check Jenkins. Suppose if you want to check Tomcat service, systemctl status Tomcat, same only. That is the reason I didn't explain here. And also we can use one more also. Service command also is there, right? Service. Plus sorry, the service. Same only. Service. Next, this is reverse. Jenkins space status. This is the syntax. We can use both only, but so if you use systemctl BIOS level, we can enable. But this is we are checking only the prompt. If you want to check whether that service is running or not. Service space Jenkins space status. We can use this one also. It will display that status of your Jenkins server. I want to check Tomcat service. Same thing we can use. If you use service command, reverse order. Jenkins, Tomcat, and status. But if you use systemctl, reverse systemctl status Jenkins, systemctl status Tomcat. Now got it, guys? So here there is bit confusion. Don't give same order. If you use systemctl status and service name. If you use service command, service name and status. Now got it? So anyone any doubt here? Hello?
Sir, what is the difference? Service Jenkins
Both are same
status.
only, but if you use systemctl BIOS level, we are enabling. Even my system is restarted, so automatically your Jenkins server will. Suppose if you want to start the Jenkins server, so how we are starting? Systemctl systm systemctl
Started
start
Jenkins.
Jenkins. What is happening? Jenkins server will start, right, automatically.
Started. Yes, sir.
Correct. Suppose if I restart my Jenkins system also, again no need to run your Jenkins server. Automatically it will start. Now got it? For example, if I use this command, system service service Jenkins start. In this case, what is happening? If we restart your mission, again we need to start the Jenkins server. Now got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is the main difference between a systemctl and service command. So if you use, mostly we are using systemctl only. Even though your server restarted, automatically your Jenkins server is up and running. But in this case, we need to again start the Jenkins server. If you use service command, okay. If you want to stop the service, how can you stop it? This is a command: service 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 Jenkins and stop. Here we are using start, right? If you want to stop the Jenkins service, and this is the command: service space service name Jenkins and stop the service. Stop the service. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
anyone any doubt? So now already you know what is DF, what is DU, disk usage. DU means disk usage. What is DF? Free space. Mounted file system, free space and all. Clear? So anyone any doubt, guys? Now almost all commands we cover, and so in interview purpose, most of the cases, so they are asking which area. Already explained, right? Let me iterate, and so we need to focus these areas only. So most of the cases they are asking grep command, right? And also find command, grep command, find command, and right, top command, and so free command, and right, so next are important, these are the main important, and hard link and soft link, hard link and soft link, right, hard link and soft link, hard link and soft link. What is difference between a hard link and soft link? And right, so remind based on requirement how to create users, add users, and delete user, and so grep, find, top, free. Next, remaining all
CD,
same one. SCD command. This is very important. SCD
cut,
command.
cut
Stream
command,
editor. And some case they are asking AWK, and also
cut,
cut command. AWK means so column wise it will display. And if you want to display only specific range, but position and all, that case we can use cut also. And so mostly and some cases they are asking how to start the service, and we can use system ctl and service command. So they are asking, and so apart from this, right, file permissions. So file permissions, yesterday we seen, right? So how to, right, so file permissions and all, how to create users and how to give permission to particular user, and there is a change owner. If you want to change the owner, right, last class we seen, right, two commands, change owner, chmod and chown, change owner, changing permissions, two ways we can do, right? Symbolic method and number format. Okay, so those and all, and so next, so these are the main, and so if you practice, so that's it, remaining one or two questions are mostly, and va command, va, right, so copy and delete the command, how to copy va, mostly we are using editor only. Under the editor, so mostly we are using some shortcut keys, right? So they are asking, and also pipe, if you want to pass one command output to so another command input, so that case we are using pipe, and also with the help of pipe, so we can already I given in a tail head, also these are the common. So less command, tail head, more command, and grep is very very important, and types of files, and ls means same only. So these are the most interview part, they are touching. So interview part they are touching. I hope now we got some idea, right? What is Linux, and what type of files, sorry, questions they are asking. Now clear? Now if you attend any interview, almost 80% now we can cover. Remaining one or two comments, so they will ask, and based on this, if you know, we can say, or else we can simply. And there is one more command is there, net state command. So interview also many people asked, what is net state? Net state command. So many people asked this command. So in the document, I hope that is available or not, I don't know. So this is the net state, very very important. Net state command, net state command in Linux. So I want to check, what is the net state command. So net state command displays various network related to information, such as network connections and routing tables, and interface statistics, and see here there is, so mostly, so interview they are asking what is net state. I want to check whether some of the port number listening or not. So so here check it whether it will work or not. But here in AWS it will work. Net state STAT and hyphen TNLUP. We can pass some arguments. So it is not finding. Yum install. We need to install that package. Net data. It won't work. Just I'm trying. So actually we need to give some different name. So we need to give, so or if you Google it, they will give some package name, and with the help of that package, we can install that netstate command related to package and all. So netstate package and all. So this is very very important. This is very very important. If you don't have, we need to install it. We need to install it. Just to Google it, how to install the netstate package and all. So they will give some link, some full path. So just copy and paste it. So mostly interview this question also they asked. So that is the reason I am highlighting net state. So net state means, so we can find network related information such as network connections, and which are the port numbers listening, and that is the routing table information. So there is few more columns also we can see, and the remaining and all, we can, right, with the help of help command, we can find it. So with the help of help command, we can find it. See here, L means list only the listening ports. TNLUP. I given some arguments, right? If you pass hyphen AU to list all UDP port numbers. So now if you want to AT, list all TCP ports. P means here TCP. P means TCP. Here U means UDP. Now like this, depends on your requirement, we can pass more. It show both listening and non-listening sockets. We can see like this output. So these all depends on your requirement. We can pass many arguments. LT list only listening TCP port numbers, and LX list only listening Unix port numbers. Now see here, yes, So list the statistics for all port numbers. We can see only port numbers. Now ST, see here list statistics of TCP port numbers. Now see here SU, list the statistics for UDP port numbers. So like this we can pass many arguments. So many arguments. So here I passed only TNLUP, right? So what arguments I can pass? Here I passed T, what is N, what is L, what is U, what is T means TCP, UDP, all port numbers list. So these are the arguments. So these are the arguments. These are the arguments. Okay. So this is the net state command. So if you want to check whether that particular port number is listening or not, so with the help of net state command we can find it. Net state command we can find it. Okay. So clear guys. So anyone any doubt as of now? And mostly they are asking some cases they are asking, can you explain the Linux architecture and all? So what is hardware, kernel, shell, and right, user interaction mode? So that is that also. Clear? So anyone any doubt guys as of now? Yes or no? What Shivaji? Suresh Sharan.
సార్ సార్
Okay,
ఇంటర్వ్యూలో
so
ప్రాక్టికల్ గా చేయమంటారా సార్?
ఏం
I
అక్కడే
mean,
అడగరు నేను ఆల్మోస్ట్ ది కమాండ్లు అడతారు
అంటే
మీకు
సిస్టమ్ ఇచ్చి
సిస్టమ్ అలాంటి ఏం చేయరు మిమ్మల్ని ఆల్మోస్ట్ 99%. సో దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఓరల్లీ ఓన్లీ.
ఓకే
మీకు ఓన్లీ కమాండ్స్ అని మీకు ఐడియా ఉందా లేదా జస్ట్ టచ్ చేస్తాడు. లెట్ మీ స్టాప్ రికార్డింగ్.